sure you heard the news. eBay is full of fake products. And if somebody is selling a fake product of yours, I'm going to be showing you how to get them removed on eBay in today's video. If you stay till the end, I'm going to show you how many times you need to actually report them to get them completely banned on eBay. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So the first thing is you need to find the fake product, right? What are they selling? Are they infringing on your trademark, your copyright? Does it look just like your product? Is it a patent issue? What is it? And here's an example. This is a headache clip, and this is actually violating one of our clients' patents for the design patent. So we can report this one. This one's also a fake as well. So we found two fakes on here. All you're going to do is go to Google, type in eBay Vero, V-E-R-O, and then the first one is Verified Rights Owner Program. You're going to click on this. You're going to scroll down and click I want to report a rights violation for rights owners. So what you need to do, if an item or listing infringes on your intellectual property rights, you can report them by submitting a notice of claimed infringement. So you're going to click on this, and then here is the notice that you need to fill out. It is a bit detailed, so be specific, but if you miss something, eBay will tell you what you're missing. Hey, you missed this, please fill this out and resend it. So it's not a huge deal, but fill this out. Again, at the bottom, you pretty much have to put the reason code. So was it a trademark infringement, copyright, or something else? You put exactly what they're infringing on. And then once you're finished that, you're gonna save this as a PDF, download it, print it, whatever, and then you're going to email it to vero@ebay.com. Now, I do recommend you use your admin email. So for example, if I was Nike and I was removing a product that had regarding a Nike, I think it's a fake Nike, or I simply don't want them to sell on eBay, I would make sure I'm emailing from my Nike email to eBay. So that way everything's verified. If I use my personal email, they're gonna be like, hey, we don't believe you. Use a verified email, right? So make sure that when you do email them, try to use a verified email. You can still get verified if your email isn't like at Nike.com or at your website, but they may ask for a power of attorney. They'll give you the form for that if you ask them, and then you should be able to move forward. But right now it's just filling out this form, emailing eBay, and then waiting to see what they need, or if it's successful and they completely get it removed. You may have to email eBay a few times. I would email them once, wait 7 days, and then if you don't hear a response, email them again. You can also fax it over, or you can mail it to them. Thank you so much for getting to the end. So now I'm going to show you how many times you need to report this to get somebody actually banned, right? When you report them the first time, their listing will get removed. Maybe they'll relist it, maybe they'll wait a little bit and then relist it. You sometimes want to get these sellers banned so they just don't sell on eBay. Again, you need to report them at least 3 to 4 times. And I don't mean 3 to 4 in one infringement. So this, if you report, let's say they had 10 listings and you report all 10 listings right here, all item numbers or product URLs, you put 10 in. That only counts as one strike against their account. So you're better off submitting one, getting that approved, then submitting a second one, getting that approved, submitting a third, getting that approved, and then the fourth time, they'll most likely get banned completely from eBay. Usually it takes 3 times you're out, but sometimes it does take 4 times, and then they're completely banned and you'll never see them ever again. So that's my pro tip, and if you need help selling on eBay or removing these fakes on eBay, that's what EHP Consulting Group specializes in. We specialize in eBay, Amazon, Walmart, and Etsy. We also do full account management to make sure your account's healthy and your sales are increasing on a regular basis. Contact EHP Consulting Group for more. Signing out.